OpenClaw has a skill marketplace called ClawHub, but this is where people get burned. Security researchers found over 300 malicious skills on ClawHub, most designed to steal API keys and passwords. Nearly half of all skills reviewed had at least one security concern. A high number of downloads don't necessarily mean that it's safe. You can search skills directly at clawhub.ai like I am here, or in Telegram you can simply type /clawhub, and that'll let you search, install, update, list what's installed, or publish a new skill. So for example, you could search for stock tracking. And here it came back with a list of options. When you find one you like, you can simply ask OpenClaw to install it. But you're going to want to check it first. ClawHub now has VirusTotal scanning. So on ClawHub directly, you can check the skills page for a security report before you install. Or in Telegram, you can simply ask your bot something like, review the code and security report for option number 1 and tell me if anything looks suspicious. Your AI can audit skills for you, and here you can see that VirusTotal flagged it as suspicious, but upon looking at this particular skill, the skill itself is just a prompt document, so there's nothing in the prompt that's particularly malicious. If a skill asks for permissions it shouldn't need, things like network access for a note-taking skill, that's a red flag and you should probably not install it. Once you've validated that it's safe, you can ask your bot to install it. One thing to know, OpenClaw also ships with about 50 bundled skills that auto-load by default if the right tools are installed on your system. You can lock that down with a whitelist in your config if you want full control over what's active.